The Raymarine Axiom RV-100 Transducer offers exceptional sonar capabilities with its RealVision 3D technology, providing lifelike clarity for identifying underwater structures and fish. This transducer integrates a 4-channel, wide-spectrum CHIRP system, including DownVision and SideVision, which enhances its ability to offer comprehensive underwater views. With a built-in attitude and heading reference system, the Axiom RV-100 ensures stabilized sonar imagery, effectively compensating for any vessel movement. It includes a fast-response water temperature sensor, delivering quick and precise temperature readings, which is crucial for avid fishers. The transducer features a durable, marine-grade stainless steel mounting bracket with an integrated kick-up system to prevent damage from underwater obstacles. Designed for easy installation, it can be conveniently mounted on the transom of outboard-powered motorboats, making it a versatile choice for marine enthusiasts.